Heavyweight production cell with multi-test bays and height adjustability. This team had conducted a number of Kaizen events from which they developed a list of cell design criteria. First off was to transition the family of products that was being produced in batch method to a single-piece flow support mixed model production to provide station height adjustability and to arrange multiple test bays without the production bottlenecks. The products could weigh up to 1,500 pounds, which required a very robust design. They were also fairly tall, presenting a wide range of optimal working heights. High torque assembly and worker paced production were additional design considerations. After numerous conference calls, we proposed a cruciform layout. The manufacturing team elected to modify an existing assembly fixture, which would mount on a Worksmart provided stainless steel plate with tapped mounting holes. To provide the required assembly ergonomics and worker safety, a hydraulic lift was incorporated at the assembly and test positions, thereby accommodating the various operators. With the future state mixed model production plan, Worksmart designed some heavy capacity stainless steel parts, kit, presentation stands to maximize efficiency. The cell construction had a number of other distinct features that would yield benefits. First, to provide the least amount of effort for flowing the heavy product and fixture, we designed a custom roller conveyor. Included in the design were side rollers to prevent fixture plate jam-ups, captive rails to eliminate the tall product from tipping during torque application, and multiple rollers and rows for near frictionless flow. Each position had a worker interface control to lock the fixture pallets in place by actuating air cylinders at both ends of the plate. Additional air cylinders were incorporated as safety devices around the height adjustable stations, the powered turntable, and the ends of the line. The lengthy test takt time precluded having 3 positions in series. By integrating a powered turntable into the line and configuring 3 test bays at 90-degree quadrants, we were able to build redundancy and eliminate potential production bottlenecks. To further assist in smooth flow, each test position was equipped with height adjustability. In-process Kanban locations in the test bays could also be used for any rework triage. A further benefit was the potential for a single tech to staff multiple test bays. Post-test and quality control, each unit could be lifted offline with an overhead crane. A Worksmart sourced cart was utilized to transfer empty fixtures and pallets to the head of the cell ready for the next build. The extreme modularity of the cell's design, wiring, and controls allowed it to be shipped in 4 sections, which minimized setup time and yielded a fast production ramp-up. Batch to single-piece production, height adjustability, multiple test bays, all boxes checked, with some creative thinking and a Worksmart cell. How can we be of assistance?